Hi, John Rice with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Talking about 13775 Cottage. This house is in an excellent location. It's truly walking distance to Lake Michigan. Now think about this. It's right across the street from the Rosy Mound Natural Area, which is 164 acres that offers hiking and swimming and lake access right across the street. Who would want anything else, right? In addition to that, right out the backyard is a little park that is private just for this development. So as you walk out through the double doors that are there in the kitchen, you can go down the beautiful patio that's there, walk past the stone fire pit, and you can walk right into the wooded park that's available just for this small little development. It's a beautiful location. On the main floor there are 3 bedrooms. There's the master, which is its own master suite and walk-in closet, plus 2 other bedrooms and a full bath. There's also option for main floor laundry, or in this case the sellers have put the laundry downstairs, so you really have your option. You can do whichever you want. It's set up with a walkout basement, and there's a 3rd full bath, plus there's actually a 4th bedroom, and then there could be a 5th bedroom. Right now it's used as an office. All sorts of potential with this house. It's in an excellent location with sidewalks and no through street, so it's just a little circle. It's one you really ought to stop by and check out. Reach out to us anytime. We're here to help.